Hey guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and yeah, I know, it's another unboxing. It's the third one. I'm sorry, but that's just how it is sometimes. So, I opened the box already, but I actually have not seen what's inside, because, there's the first unboxing, second unboxing. Actually, I'm pre-recording this, so the second unboxing you will see has not gotten here yet. So, yeah. Alright, so, it's all open and ready for us. So, we got some packaging. We're going to pop it again. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Everyone loves the popping. Alright, so, and as you can see, we have a Wheelock box. Jeez, this box is fun to get out. I had to figure out a way to get it out of here. There we go. So, the box. It's the same thing. So we have a Wheelock Horn Red, so an NH-1224R, as you can see. So, let's open this bad boy. So, we're greeted with that. Hey, that's like extra. So, we have the cover. So you can see it's a Wheelock NS, or well, basically an NS. So, then the actual device itself. So, this is the actual device itself. That's what we wire up, really. So, nice. Alright, so, now we're going to put this on here. And hopefully it goes on there. There we go. So, yeah. And then in the box, we also have, just all the regular stuff, your information, all that. Warranty stuff? Yeah. So, let's do the whole standing up the box thing again. That'll be fun. Maybe I'll do that, hold that up, and that works. So, yeah. Oops. There we go. Alright, so, that's the device. So, actually, we'll do this side. There we go. You can see basically the whole model number. We get this photo for the thumbnail. Alright, so, basically, that's everything that came in the package. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, like, comment, do whatever you want. You don't have to, but you can. So, anyway, see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!